Read-only memory, ROM. It stores permanent instructions required for proper functioning of the computer system. It is a type of memory from which we can only read the information stored in it, but cannot write on it. Thus, it is also called permanent memory or non-volatile memory. Data and instructions stored in ROM are not lost even when the power is turned off. The different types of ROM are ROM, PROM, programmable read-only memory. The content of the memory can be modified by a programmer only once. EPROM, erasable programmable read-only memory. Data can be erased and rewritten on it. EEPROM, electrically erasable programmable read-only memory. Data can be erased or rewritten on it using an electrical charge. Secondary memory. Primary memory has limited capacity, so we need some additional storage device to store the data. This storage device is called secondary memory. Secondary memory is also known as external or auxiliary memory. The data stored in the external memory is not lost even when the computer is turned off. CPU cannot access it directly because it is an external memory. Secondary memory is slower than primary memory. Secondary memory is non-volatile in nature and have large storage capacity. Let us learn some of the secondary storage devices. Secondary memory: magnetic disk, hard disk; optical disk, CD, DVD, Blu-ray disc; flash drive, pen drive, memory card. Magnetic disk. A device covered with a magnetic coating is called a magnetic disk. We can write and erase data on a magnetic disk any number of times. Hard disk. A hard disk consists of one or more magnetic disks. Data is recorded using magnetic head. A hard disk is the main secondary storage device. It is present inside the CPU box. It is also called internal hard drive. It can store a large amount of data. External hard drives are connected to the computer with the help of USB port. Optical disk. An optical disk is an electronic data storage medium that can be used to read and write data using a laser beam. Compact disk, CD. CD is an external storage device. A standard CD can store up to 700 MB of data. It is circular in shape. To access data stored in a CD, a computer system must have a CD-ROM drive. Digital versatile disk, DVD. It looks similar to a CD. A DVD stores much more data than a CD. It can store 4.7 GB of data. A two-layer DVD can store double amount of data of a DVD. Blu-ray disc. It looks like a CD or DVD. It can store 50 GB or more data. Flash drive. The flash drive is a small portable data storage device integrated with a USB, Universal Serial Bus connector. Pen drive. It is a rewritable device. A pen drive comes in various storage capacities from 2 GB to 2 TB. Memory card. It is commonly known as multimedia card. It is used as a storage media for portable devices like a mobile, a digital camera, and a music player. We need to have a card reader to connect it to the computer. Wrap-up. Raw facts and figures such as numbers, characters, or symbols are known as data. Processed data is known as information. Computer memory is of two types: primary memory and secondary memory. The language of zeros and ones, which is understood by the computer, is binary language. Zeros and ones are known as bits. Primary memory is directly accessible to the CPU. Secondary memory is used to store data in